Iceland. A land of stark contrasts, where the elements of fire and ice come together in a dramatic display of nature's power. Towering glaciers pierce the sky, their icy peaks glistening under the Arctic sun. Fields of ancient lava stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to the island's fiery origins. It is a place where fire and ice coexist, a testament to the raw power of nature, creating a landscape that is both beautiful and formidable. This island nation, isolated in the North Atlantic, owes its very existence to the relentless activity of volcanoes. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, molten rock known as magma surges and churns, constantly reshaping the land above. This fiery underworld is a constant reminder that Iceland's beauty is intricately intertwined with its potential for volcanic fury, a duality that defines the island. Iceland sits atop the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a vast underwater mountain range where two tectonic plates slowly pull apart, creating a unique geological environment. This geological rift allows magma to rise from the Earth's mantle, creating Iceland's frequent volcanic activity and shaping its dramatic landscape. Over millennia, countless eruptions have shaped the island's rugged terrain, leaving behind a legacy of volcanic cones, craters, and vast lava fields that tell the story of its fiery past. The Icelandic people have learned to live in harmony with this volatile landscape, respecting its power while harnessing its geothermal energy to sustain their communities and drive their economy. In recent times, the Reykjanes Peninsula, located in southwest Iceland, has become the focal point of volcanic activity. This region, known for its geothermal hot springs and rugged lava fields, has experienced a resurgence in volcanic unrest. After centuries of relative dormancy, the ground beneath the Reykjanes Peninsula is once again stirring, signaling the awakening of a sleeping giant. Earthquakes, a precursor to volcanic eruptions, have become increasingly frequent in the area. These tremors, some felt by residents, are a clear indication that magma is rising through the Earth's crust, pushing its way towards the surface. Scientists closely monitor these seismic activities, analyzing the patterns and intensity to predict the likelihood of an eruption. The Reykjanes Peninsula has a long and fiery history, marked by its dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Volcanic eruptions have shaped this region for millennia, leaving behind a trail of geological evidence that tells a story of immense natural power. Ancient lava flows, now covered in moss and lichen, tell tales of past eruptions, reminding us of the cyclical nature of volcanic activity and the resilience of life. The last eruption on the Reykjanes Peninsula occurred nearly 800 years ago, a relatively short period in geological terms, yet significant in human history. Historical records and geological data indicate that volcanic activity on the Reykjanes Peninsula occurs in cycles, with each cycle bringing new changes to the landscape. Periods of dormancy, lasting for centuries, are punctuated by episodes of intense volcanic activity, reshaping the terrain dramatically. These active periods can last for decades or even centuries, with multiple eruptions shaping the landscape in ways that are both awe-inspiring and destructive. The current unrest suggests that the Reykjanes Peninsula has entered a new phase of volcanic activity, a period that could potentially last for generations, altering the region's future. Volcanic eruptions, while awe-inspiring, are a result of complex geological processes that have been occurring for millions of years. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, magma, a mixture of molten rock, gases and crystals, accumulates in chambers, waiting for the right conditions to erupt. As the pressure within these chambers builds over time, it forces the magma upwards through weaknesses and fractures in the Earth's crust. When the pressure exceeds the strength of the surrounding rocks, an eruption occurs, releasing the pent-up energy in a dramatic display. The type of eruption depends on the composition of the magma and the amount of dissolved gases it contains, which can vary greatly. Effusive eruptions, characterized by the slow outpouring of lava, are less explosive and pose fewer immediate hazards to nearby communities. Explosive eruptions, on the other hand, occur when magma rich in dissolved gases is rapidly ejected, creating powerful blasts that can send ash and rock fragments high into the atmosphere, affecting areas far from the volcano itself. Section 5. Living in the shadow of the volcano. For the people of Iceland, volcanic activity is a part of life. They have learned to adapt and coexist with the ever-present threat of eruptions. However, the recent unrest on the Reykjanes Peninsula has raised concerns about the potential impact on local communities. The area, once sparsely populated, has seen significant development in recent decades. The Icelandic authorities have implemented comprehensive emergency plans to ensure the safety of residents in the event of an eruption. Evacuation routes have been established and emergency shelters are on standby. The government also provides regular updates and information to the public, keeping them informed about the evolving situation. Section 6. A world on edge. Global implications. Volcanic eruptions, while localized events, can have far-reaching global consequences. Large eruptions can inject massive amounts of ash and gases into the atmosphere, affecting air quality and disrupting air travel. The eruption of Eyjafjallajökull in 2010, for example, caused widespread chaos, grounding flights across Europe for days. Volcanic eruptions can also impact global climate. The release of sulfur dioxide gas into the stratosphere can form sulfate aerosols, which reflect sunlight back into space, leading to a temporary cooling effect. The eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815, the largest eruption in recorded history, caused a year without a summer in parts of the northern hemisphere. Section 7. Facing the future. Monitoring and preparedness. In a world increasingly affected by natural disasters, monitoring and preparedness are crucial for mitigating risks. Iceland, with its long history of volcanic activity, has become a world leader in volcano monitoring and research. Scientists employ a range of sophisticated instruments to track volcanic unrest. Seismometers detect ground vibrations caused by magma movement, while GPS stations measure subtle changes in ground deformation. Gas sensors monitor the release of volcanic gases, providing clues about changes in magma composition and the potential for an eruption. This data, collected and analyzed in real time, allows scientists to provide timely warnings and inform emergency response efforts. Section 8. Iceland's volcanic legacy. Iceland's volcanic legacy extends beyond its dramatic landscapes and potential hazards. The island's geothermal energy, a byproduct of its volcanic activity, provides a sustainable source of power. Geothermal power plants harness the heat from the Earth's interior to generate electricity, heating homes and powering industries. Iceland's unique geology also attracts visitors from around the world. Tourists flock to witness the raw power of nature, marveling at erupting geysers, soaking in geothermal hot springs, and exploring lava caves. Volcano tourism, while requiring careful management to ensure safety, provides economic benefits to local communities. Section 9. The allure of the unknown. Volcanoes, despite their destructive potential, hold an undeniable allure. They remind us of the immense power of nature and the forces that have shaped our planet. The recent volcanic unrest on the Reykjanes Peninsula has captivated the world's attention, drawing scientists, tourists, and armchair enthusiasts alike. The unpredictable nature of volcanic activity only adds to their mystique. Will the Reykjanes Peninsula experience a major eruption in the near future? Or will the current unrest subside, returning the region to a state of dormancy? Only time will tell. Section 10. A reminder of nature's power. The awakening of the Reykjanes Peninsula serves as a timely reminder of the power of nature and the importance of respecting the forces that shape our planet. Volcanic eruptions, while potentially destructive, are a natural part of Earth's dynamic processes. As we continue to study and monitor volcanic activity, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet and our place within its intricate systems. The knowledge we acquire allows us to better prepare for and mitigate the risks associated with volcanic hazards, ensuring the safety and well-being of communities living in the shadow of these fiery giants.